Let's stop pretending. This is not fandom. This is not excitement. This is not Indian culture. This is mob mentality mixed with sexual entitlement. And it's disgusting. Every time an attractive female celebrity steps into a public space in India, the crowd doesn't see a human being. They see access. Phones out, men pushing, personal space erased, hands moving where they shouldn't, and when it happens, people rush to defend it. And all they say is, crowd lo jaripayindi, accident ga ayindi, it's fans' emotions. No, emotion doesn't make you lose basic humanity. Animals lose control. Humans are supposed to know better. And why this keeps happening? Because Indian crowds operate on one dangerous belief. If she's famous, she's public property. That's it. That's the mindset. Cinema sexualizes women. Songs objectify them. Reels reduce them to body parts. Then the same men act shocked when boundaries disappear in real life. We have been trained to consume women visually. And now we think we are entitled to touch reality. And this is what really angers me. In every crowd, there are hundreds of men. Most of them are decent. And all of them stay silent. Why? Because mob mentality removes responsibility. నేను చేయకపోతే సరిపోతుంది నేను చేయట్లేదు కదా ఎవరో చేస్తున్నారు నేను కాదు అది నా తప్పు కాదు. And all this inner silence is participation. If one man misbehaves and 100 watch silently, the mob is guilty, not the individual one. And this is the mindset we grew up in. And then comes the most disgusting part. Instead of asking why can't man behave, society asks, why did she come? Why did she weigh that? Why is she smiling? Let me make this clear. A woman does not lose her right to safety because she is beautiful, famous, confident, or visible. The question exposes how deeply rotten the thinking is. And the harsher truth, the more attractive the woman, the worse the behavior. Beauty becomes a provocation. Confidence becomes arrogance. Visibility becomes an invitation. Indian society says it worships women, but can't handle one standing freely in front of a crowd. That's not respect, that's control disguised as culture. And this isn't about one particular actress. Names don't matter, events don't matter. This pattern repeats again and again because consequences are weak, accountability is missing, and men are never taught restraint. Until crowd behavior changes, every public appearance of a female celebrity is a risk zone. And let's be brutally honest, if a society cannot control its men in a crowd, that society has failed, morally and culturally. Fandom without discipline is not admiration, it is entitlement. And entitlement is the root of this sickness. If this particular video made you angry, good. If this made you defensive, you have to look inward. Because real change doesn't begin with apologies, it begins with calling out the truth.